going shopping. Let's go, let's go. Of course, motorcycle would start the minute I start. Let's go. Got that for 20 bucks. They are cute cases though. Here for some shampoo. Yes. Look at that bag. It's a cute bag. I like that bag. I don't know what to use it for. See if I can find my favorite makeup. Here we go. This is what I like using right here. I like Urban Decay. That's my favorite makeup right there. This stuff is pretty cool, I'll tell you right now. You spray that on, you don't even sweat it off. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. Can't tell you enough how awesome it is. Cooling and drying. Hydrating, sorry you guys. Oil control. I'm telling you, this stuff is awesome. Right here, this stuff, you put it on for your eyeshadow and it actually keeps your eyeshadow on. Yeah. Awesome. The eyeliner is my favorite. I tried other ones that they have here and I don't like them. It's this one right here. That one right there. That's my favorite eyeliner. Hands down, absolute best eyeliner ever. Haven't found any that's any better than that. But I am here to buy shampoo and conditioner. That's one thing I will pay for is my shampoo and conditioner. Sorry, I had a little eyeliner smudge. Had something in my eye earlier. I was trying to get it out. But see, if you guys look at my eyes, see, it's been on all day. And I even cried a little because I couldn't get something out of my eyeball. Ladies, you know how that is. Get that piece of dust in there. Makes your eyes water. Let's go get our shampoo. Mm-hmm. Gonna come back? Yeah. So let me tell you guys about a funny story. We were in Best Buy and we couldn't get on YouTube. And it kept saying restricted, restricted, restricted. We were like, what is going on? Why is it restricted? This feels funny. It feels empty. Very light. And found out it was Best Buy's internet. It was crazy. Ooh, there's my romance. Ooh, it's my favorite. Okay, let's go get this shampoo. See if they have a sale on some of their lotion. Sun care. We're looking for lotion. Well, we're over here by the shampoos are over there. Let's get our shampoo before I forget. Excuse me. And I actually have a coupon, 20% off. Let's see. Okay, come out wherever you are. I don't shop at this ULTA. I usually go to a different one. So I'm a little lost. We're looking for a Nexus. So if you guys see it, just holler. Hey, I found some clearance.
Ooh, this is neat.
That is a neat looking. $84. It can stay on the shelf. Okay, where's it at? I can't find it. I know they have it. I know they have my shampoo. I've gotten it here before. It was in the aisle. Look at all the fancy hair dryers. Look at that box. That's a pretty fancy box. All right, here we go. I found it. I found it. I found it. Nexus. Okay, this is my shampoo I get. Okay, and then we want, do we want this one? Or do we want this one? Let's get this one. Buy one, get one half off. Oh, look at that's really pretty. There's something in particular I'm looking for. Let's see. I really like those scrubs. That's what I'm looking for here. Candles. Who doesn't love a good candle? And they're only $7.50 each. Wow, that's not bad at all. There's no way that could be right. That can't be right. I gotta be reading that wrong. Yeah, because that says sea breeze and aloe water, and it says shower tablets, so that's definitely not the right thing. Get me all excited over a deal. Sometimes they have a sale over here. Buy two, get one free. That's not too bad. Because that's how much they are at Bath and Body Works. And they're scrubs. Scrubs! This is the best. $22. Should probably get that one. Yep. time to go check out. Let's go. We got our coupons. 20% off. All right, let's see what kind of goodies we got at Ulta Beauty. All right, first of all, I went ahead and told you guys I love my shampoo and conditioner. So here we go. This is what we got. We got some Nexus, and this is the conditioner. This is normally $29.99. We actually got this conditioner for $23.99 because we had a coupon. Right, now we got some shampoo to go with it right here. I love this stuff. If you guys ever get a chance to use Nexus, I would definitely use it. I love it. This bottle will probably last me over 6 months. That's the crazy part. All right, so this one is regularly $19.99, and I got this one for $15.99. I had a coupon. Now, you guys might be saying, oh man, she's crazy to spend that much. But now think about it. You would buy probably, 2 to 3 weeks, a bottle that would cost, let's say, $5 a piece, so $10 a month maybe. Now, I have just spent, $45 here? Let's see, we got 23 plus, so we spent $36 here. Now, if you spend $10 a month, that's 3 months. This lasts me over at least 8 months. So that's a deal. I say it's a deal and a bargain. All right, then I told you Urban Decay is my absolute favorite. I love Urban Decay. The eyeliner goes on fantastic. The spray keeps your makeup on. The purple stuff there, that is for when you put eyeshadow on. I don't use that often. The mascara is great. I love that mascara there. Sorry, the light is blaring. Mascara is wonderful. I love it. The original price on this is $39, and we actually got this one for $31.20. That's what we got this one for. It was $31.20. Also in our bag, we got some candles. Now the candles were regularly $22.50. By the way, this smells amazing. Want to take a good whiff? Here you go. And I love 3-wick candles. I like 3-wick candles more than I like the 1 or 2-wick. I think they burn so much better, and the smell is amazing. I prefer to put mine on a warmer, so what I'll do is I'll burn it so long, and then I'll put it on an oil warmer or one that melts the wax. I actually paid, you guys will not believe this, these are regularly $22.50. Now I'm going to show you because I know you're not going to believe me. Paid $9. You see that? $9, regularly $22.50. I actually got 2 of these. This one here is Frosted Berry. It doesn't smell as sweet. You can also smell it on the lid. It doesn't smell as sweet as what you would think it would smell. Now remember, they're $22.50. So I actually paid $9. It was a buy one, get one free. As you see here, $11.25. Plus, I had a coupon. So I got $2.25 off. So they came down to $9. So that was a pretty good deal. Now, I went ahead and for $1.99, you're going to think I'm crazy. I went ahead and bought these. I really didn't need these, but my total was $48. And I needed, these actually came down to $1.59 because I had a 20% off coupon for my entire purchase. But in order to get 350 points, and I believe in the whole points and reward program because you do make out in the end. So for $1.59, I actually got 375 points, which I only needed another 100 points to get to the next level. So I felt like that was well worth it. I really don't like using these. These are not something I use. I'm real picky on kind of what I use on my face. But there I go. That was my purchase. That was my out and about. You guys got to go shopping with me. So again, Nexus, if you ever get a chance to use it, I would. And then here we got our little makeup set. This is mainly what I use, is mainly the eyeliner and mascara. It's really all I use most of the time. Unless I'm going out, I might put some eyeshadow on, but that's it. And then we got our candles. So there we go. There was our shopping trip. So thanks for going shopping with me.